Alright, Mythology students, I hope all is going well. Here is our introduction video for weeks 4 through 5, which is Monday, April 20th through Friday, May 1st, and I'll give you the weekend as well, so May 2nd and 3rd as well. So, just a quick overview. Here are general distance learning expectations. Here is the week 4 to 5 introduction video, which is this video right here. And here is, I don't know if you noticed last week, I uploaded a Google Doc, which is just essentially a daily checklist, but that information is also found in our instructions. So make sure you take a look at this video and the pacing guide, which is the daily checklist and the instructions. We have a lot of reading this week, and when I say a lot, it's 4 readings, which we would normally cover in 4 days, and you have 10 days to do it, so make sure that we're staying on track of reading and staying on top of it so that we're not bombarded with a bunch of readings at the end of this unit. But we're going to be wrapping up the Iliad, and the final piece is going to be our Iliad final test, where we assess on the stories altogether. So just a quick kind of overview of the week. We're going to be reading a story called The War at Troy. We're going to be reading a story called The Rage of Achilles. We're going to be reading 2 different short 1-page myths on the death of Achilles and possible deaths or possible stories about how he died. Then we're going to be reading The Marooned Prince and The Fall of Troy. Here you can click, will be a review of all the stories with narrated notes. You can review all the stories right here with Quizlet and then take the final assessment. So let me know if you have any questions. Reminder that in the instructions I am available on Google Meet Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays from 10:30 to 11 a.m. and Thursdays from 2:30 to 3 p.m. If any of these times don't work, be sure to email me and we can surely set up a different time. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope all is going well, and I miss seeing all of you. Take care.